Welcome back, everybody. Meet your man Mark Bryce, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to remove the interior rear door panels on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, I already taught everyone how to do it from the front, how to remove the front door panels, but I never really made a video on how to remove the interior door panels from the rear. As you can see, this one's already been removed. That's because I officially finished carbon fiber wrapping all four doors. I just got to put this one back in, but I'm going to turn the car around so then we can remove the other door so you guys can see how I removed it. All right, so we're here at the back of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and remove the interior rear door panel from this car. Easiest things to do is you're going to see a little panel right here and one over here. All right, as you can see, there's a little groove right here. We're just going to pry that up. There you go. We're gonna remove that. This is a 7mm bolt. Let's take that out. Here, and right in here, you're gonna take a flathead and you're gonna pry outwards to remove this right here, because this right here is just a panel. All right, so this is as close I can get, but you're gonna have to take the door handle and go all the way, lift it out. Yeah, I got some dry fingers. Okay. And we're gonna stick our flathead right here, and we're gonna pry outwards. There we go. There we go. And those are the two. That's a 10mm bolt, and this one is just a Phillips. Okay, I was able to remove the Phillips. Now let me go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt. All right, there we go. All right, so once you went ahead and removed the screw, the 7mm bolt that was right there by the door handle here on this side, and then the 10mm bolt and the Phillips head, then what we're gonna go ahead is we're gonna pry from the bottom. We're gonna take one hand here and the other hand here, and we're gonna play with the bottom side of this panel. As you can see, the opening is right over here. So we're gonna pry this direction. Once we have this open, then we're gonna slowly go ahead and start moving upwards on this side, as well on this side. And then once you get to the top side, there's one right here, don't forget. And then this, you're gonna have to make sure this is down to help you, so then you can pry this outwards and then up. This is the part where it's all open now on this side, except this side and this side. Everything else is open but the top part. So you're gonna hold one hand here, the other hand here, and you're going to lift out and up because it is being held right here as well. Once that's done, hold on to it. Don't yank it out because there's still wires behind this panel that need to be disconnected. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm holding it with one hand just so my other hand is recording this, but I was able to take it out, but there's still some wires I need to disconnect. All right, there we go. So I'm still holding it. It's still in place. This is the only thing you're gonna have to remove. It's attached to this. Do not remove this. Just take this out. This is your chrome door handles. The only one that you're gonna have to disconnect is this one right here. Well, there you go. And that is how you remove your rear door panel. Now, it all depends on what you plan on doing with your rear door panel. That's if you want to change a button, or if you want to remove the chrome door handle, or if you want to remove the dash panel like I am. For example, I'm removing this because I want to carbon fiber wrap this. So in order to remove this, you're going to have to go behind, and I'll show you that in a bit. But doing this project by removing the interior door panel, there's a lot of things you could do. If you want to change this up, this is black leather. If you want to change this to red, you can. If you want to wrap this in red leather that is attached to this, you can. Or if you want to put some LEDs at the bottom over here for your cup holder, you can. This is just a little dirty. Or if you want to remove the speaker cover because you want to paint this silver, you can. But doing so, what I just taught you is how to remove the door panel, and that's the basic of it all. Like I said, I'm just removing this area right here because I want to carbon fiber wrap that. And let me show you where are the screws and what kind of tool you'll need. So this is the inside of the interior door panel. This is what people don't see, but the only reason why I'm showing it to you is so you can have a better idea of what's inside. So if you do want to remove the speaker, like I said, from the bottom, so you can paint the cover silver, you're gonna see that this is actually attached to the panel. You cannot remove this, and if you are, you're gonna have to cut it out. So that's up to you if that's what you plan on doing. But if you want to put a LED on the cup holder, this is the perfect place to do it. Like right over here, put like a little small LED, and then have that connected to a switch in your dash, your front dash. So then at dark, press that button and then this lights up. That's up to you. I am showing you this because I want to remove that panel that's right over here, and the screws that you're going to need is a T20 drill bit. This is exactly what I'm holding there. All right, so let me go ahead and remove my my panel. So I went ahead and removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. One right here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But there's one hidden one right between here. Now, I'm not gonna apply too much pressure because I don't want to yank this. Because to be honest with you, I see that it's like kind of melted in there with plastic, so I don't want to ruin it. But just to show you where it is, it's right there. It's this one right here. There it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and carefully remove that one. And that's the last one. All right, well, there you go. Now, in order for you to wrap this, you're gonna need a heat gun, the wrap film, and some alcohol swabs, because you're gonna have to clean this and make sure it's not dusty or there's any debris there. And that's about it. I'm gonna leave you guys there. If you want to see how I wrap plastic, you can watch my previous video on how I did the front door, but this video is just mainly how to remove the door panel and how to remove that panel that you see right here to wrap it. Well, there you go. That is the final clip. Looking good, looking good. This is the final clip. This is the end result of this beautiful wrap on the interior door panel. I believe it came out great. You may think different, but I love it. Now this side of the car is matching with the front door, the front dashboard. Got my red light there. With that door panel, including that circular steel speaker cover. I got it on this side as well. And then it also matches this beautiful piece right there. Maybe in the future, I'll install some LEDs inside by opening the door panel, so then I can cut out a hole so the light can stick out from here. That'd be a cool design. Cool idea. All right, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.